The city skyline glimmers under the morning sun. The tallest tower piercing the clouds, Geon Corporation, the world-known CEO, Jeon Jungkook, as a ruthless businessman, a billionaire who built his empire on blood, sweat, and secrets. But behind closed doors, few know that the underworld bows to him. Mafia boss, king of shadows, a man untouchable. And yet, at home, he is just Appa to G, his 9-month-old son, the only softness left in his hardened heart. Jungkook had once loved, he trusted, he gave his soul, but Mia, his wife, Jay's mother, betrayed him the moment she got her freedom after childbirth. She ran into the arms of her old lover, leaving Jungkook bleeding inside. Since that day, he swore, "No woman will ever touch my heart again." The marble lobby of Jeon Corporation sparkles like a palace. Polished floors and the air carried the scent of wealth and power. You step inside, clenching your portfolio, your heels click softly, confidence in every stride. Several candidates sit stiffly on the leather sofas. Some girls look up and down, shimmering in their eyes as they notice your tall frame, elegant dress, and flowing hair. You sense their glares but ignore them. You didn't come here to compete with pretty glances, you came to win. The receptionist announced, "Candidates, please wait. Mr. John will be meeting you shortly." A murmur ran through the hall. Even hearing his name sent chills down people's spines. Ryan thought, what is so special of him that all are scared? Let it be. I just want to work hard and earn money for myself. Ryan also sat in one corner waiting for their boss Jeon Jungkook to arrive. "Excuse me, are you here for interview?" Ryan looked up. "Yes." "Oh, myself Mary. I'm here for that too." "Fine." "Oh, myself Ryan. Nice to meet you." "So Ryan, are you from Seoul only?" "Ryan, no, I'm from Busan, but I came here for work." "Okay." "Ryan, can I ask you something?" "Sure." "Ryan, why everyone gets scared even by hearing Jeon Jungkook's name?" "Because he's very cold and scary. He's a CEO and also mafia, but also handsome." "Ryan, why he is always cold?" "Even I don't know much about him. I only know he's married, but I feel pity for his wife that she got so cold husband." "Ryan, but we don't know how he stays at home." Suddenly the atmosphere shifts. Silence falls. The elevator door slide opens. There he is, Jeon Jungkook. Dressed in a sharp black suit, his aura screams power. Tattoos peek from his shirt collar. His ring glints as his hands hold little J against his chest. One hand carries his son, the other carries the weight of the underworld. His dark eyes sweep across the hall, cold, calculating, until they land on you. For the first time, his gaze paused, just for a second. Something in you stirs, like the air thickens, the world slows. You bow politely, but his intense eye lingered on you a moment too long. Then he walked past, his cologne leaving a trail of temptation and danger. The girls whisper, "He never brings his son to the office. Why today? He looks hot but too cold." "Mary, he really look hot though, and his baby look exactly like him." Ryan, "Yes, baby was cute, but father was cold." Ryan's heart was beating fast as she saw that man, but she ignored the feeling. Inside his cabin, one by one candidates are called. Nervous, sweaty, rejected. "Finally your turn." "Mel, all the best, Ryan." "Thank you. God, please help me. I really want this job." The door opens. Jungkook sits at the head of the long table. Jay stroller beside him. His expression is unreadable. His jaw sharp. His tattoo speaking as he rolls up his sleeves. He gestures for you to sit. "Name." His deep voice cut through the silence. You answer confidently. His eyes narrow, scanning your resume, then lifting to your face. For a mafia boss who doesn't trust women, his stare is different, like he's searching for a flaw, a weakness, or something else. Halfway through, Jay fizzes in his stroller. Without hesitation, Jungkook picks him up, cradling him with surprising tenderness. The sight catches you off guard. This ruthless man, feared by all, softening as he whispered, "Shh, Appa is here." Your heart skips. Something dangerous and irresistible pulls you closer to his world. Jungkook notices your gaze, his lips curve slightly, almost mocking. What? Surprised that a man like me can hold his son? You swallowed hard, holding his head. Not surprised, just impressed. For the first time, Jungkook smirks. The interview ends, but instead of dismissing you like others, Jungkook leaned back in his chair, studying you with those dark, piercing eyes. You will start tomorrow. Shock flashes through you. I got the job? I don't repeat myself. His voice is firm, final. As you leave the room, your heart races. You should feel victorious, but instead, you feel something, a dangerous pull. Behind you, Jungkook watches from the glass wall. Jay in his arms, he whispered to himself, "Why does she remind me of the same feeling again?" Ryan, "Mary, I got the job." Mary, "What? Really? That's nice. I really needed this. What about you, huh?" "My name hasn't announced yet." Ryan, "Okay, best of luck for you too. I will leave now. Bye." Bye. To be continued.